In this video, we will learn how to combine first and last name in Excel. So let's start this Excel sheet, and you can see here I have here two column, first name and last name. So here I'm going to combine the both names. So let's start how it's done. So select first cell, then use the is equal to, then write the concatenate. So I use the concatenate function and just I select the first name. Okay, after that I use the comma and select the second name and just bracket close and press the enter, and you can see the both name is combined, but here is not showing the space on this name. So here I want the space between two name, between the first and last name. So I just double click on it and edit the function here, formula here. So after the comma I use the quotation, again I use the space and again use the quotation and comma. Okay, and just enter. Now you can see the space between the two names. Just drag below with the mouse. I just drag below here, so all name here see combined with the space. So let's start. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.